Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to call on Roblox. First of all guys, you have to open Roblox app and here you have to search for Roblox Connect and just enter over here. Now you have to click on this link, this app, just open it and click on this play button over here. So this app allow you to connect or you can call your friend, have a conversation use as your avatar. So but to use it you must have a voice chat feature on Roblox. So if you haven't get your voice chat, you can get your voice chat by using just phone verification. Make sure to verify your phone number to have it. So let the app connect first. So if you want to connect, it clearly says that you are using one-to-one voice chat, and it's kind of a private talk, and enable your camera and microphone to chat with your voice and avatar in this experience. So if you really want to uh, communicate in a kind of real, then you have to enable camera so avatar can track your uh, track your body and will sync with your body. So also you have to follow the community guideline. Now once you're done with this, now you just need to guys click on this call a friend. So your current setting does not allow, don't allow for it, so I need to enable it first and then we'll come back. So I just enable the voice chat from the privacy. Now I need to enable it from here as well. Now guys, to make a call you have to click on this call a friend, and from here you can call anyone from your friend list. So you can see that these are my recent call on this Roblox. So you just to make a call you just need to click on this phone icon over here, and your call will be start connecting. So if you want to make hang up the call, click on this red button. So right now any of my friend is not online, so that's why the call is not connecting. Make sure both of you must be online to connect the call successfully. So yeah, this is how you can make a call. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.